everybody, hope you're doing well. Today we're going to make the delicious and brownie without egg and without oven. Let's go for ingredients. 1.5 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 50 grams of chocolate chips, half cup of jaggery. You can use in the stead of 1 cup of sugar powder, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, 3.5 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, little bit of rose water. Rose water is optional. Half a cup of milk. Mix the butter and the chocolate, 3 tablespoons of milk, and mix it well. Now my dear friends, start very well. Let's see how we melt the chocolate. You can use a little bit of milk to the jaggery and grind it to cream. Well, my dear friends, add a little bit of rose water and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Don't forget rose water is optional. Put the cocoa powder and the flour inside this pot. My dear friend, mix it well. It should not be liquid, it should be thick. And add a little bit of milk. Add 1 tablespoon of chocolate chips. The consistency should be same as this. Put it in the pan. Now it's ready to go in the pan for 35 minutes. For the ganache, we're going to use a little bit of milk and some chocolate.